Ever feel like Google Ads is just eating your money? You're not alone. Most businesses waste 30 to 50% of their ad budget without even realizing it. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that hard. I'm going to break down Google Ads management into 4 simple steps anyone can follow.
Hi, my name is Heather, and I'm the founder of Growth Conductor.
We help businesses get more leads and sales from their advertising without the headaches. Today, I'm sharing the exact approach we use with clients to turn messy Google Ads accounts into money-making machines. No jargon, no fluff, just stuff that works. Let's get into it. Step 1, track what actually matters. This sounds obvious, but you'd be amazed how many businesses skip this. Here's what I mean. Don't just track clicks. Track the actions that make you money. Things like purchases, form submissions, phone calls, or appointments booked. And here's the key. Assign values to each action. A purchase might be worth $500. A contact form, maybe $50. This tells Google what success looks like for your business. Without this, Google is guessing. And guessing gets expensive. Take 5 minutes today to check your conversion tracking. It's the foundation of everything else. Step 2, clean up the waste. This is where most businesses leave money on the table. And I promise you'll find surprises. Maybe you're a B2B software company showing up for free templates, or a plumber getting clicks for plumbing jobs hiring. These clicks cost money but will never convert. The fix? Negative keywords. Tell Google what not to show your ads for. I've seen businesses save 20 to 30% of their budget just by doing this weekly. It takes 10 minutes. Step 3, test and improve your ads. Your ad copy matters more than you think. Good ads get more clicks at lower costs. Bad ads drain your budget fast. Here's a simple approach. Write at least 10 different headlines. Mix in your keywords, benefits, numbers, and questions. Try CRM that sales teams actually use. Close 30% more deals. See the difference? One is generic, the other speaks to a real benefit. Google will test combinations and show you what works best. Every month, pause your worst performers and create new variations of your winners. Small tweaks, big results over time. Step 4, spend smarter. Once you know what's working, double down. Sounds simple, right? But most people spread their budget too thin across too many campaigns. Here's a better approach. If a campaign says limited by budget and it's profitable, give it more money. If a campaign hasn't converted in weeks, pause it or fix it. Also, let Google's smart bidding help you. Strategies like Target CPA or Target ROAS can optimize bids automatically, but only after you've set up proper tracking. That's why step 1 comes first. 1, track what matters. Set up conversion tracking with real values. 2, clean up waste. Check search terms weekly and add negatives. 3, test and improve. Write better ads and keep testing. 4, spend smarter. Move budget to what's actually working. And that's it. Do these consistently and you'll beat 90% of advertisers out there. Now, if you want help putting this into action, we offer free Google Ads audits at Growth Conductor. We'll look at your account, find the biggest opportunities, and tell you exactly what to fix first. No pressure, no sales pitch, just helpful advice. Links in the description.